How to create add-on domains. Add-on domains allow you to control multiple domains from a single account. It links a new domain name to a directory in your account and then stores its files in that directory. You need to point your add-on domain name server to your main domain name server before you add an add-on domain. Let's learn how to create add-on domains. Click Domains. Click the Create Domain button. Enter the add-on domain name and click to uncheck the Document Root boxes. cPanel automatically populates the subdomain and document root input boxes. Now click the Submit button. That's it. We have successfully created an add-on domain. Here is the newly created add-on domain. Thank you for watching.